Aftermath.
Yeah. A nigga told me to keep hope alive, survive a 9 to 5 and get you paradise. So I tried. Nigga had to swallow his pride, but look into my eyes, I'm too wide to fries. 12th grade graduation, summer vacation. Mama said get the face in all them applications. Didn't know back then I was too young. Public school made me dumb as a motherfucker. What should I do with my life? Reverend Price, do you got some advice? Oh, I roll the dice. A nigga don't wanna shoot craps, cause it ain't all fun and games when you trying to get that money, man. Gang bang, maintain the slang cane. TV got a nigga where he can't use his brain. What the fuck you talking about? Choose or lose? Bitch, I don't know the motherfucking rules. For real.
Yeah, straight riding again, west side again. No days on ties again. We motherfuckers still hate. Take a vacation, then you come back. Yeah, we go again, straight riding again, west side again. No days on ties again. We motherfuckers still hate. Take a vacation, then you come back. Yeah, we go again.
Guess who's back again? Straight out the CPT, the DOC, DRE. Y'all know me if the shit banging. I'm in the streets again. This West Coast shit get free again. It's a new season, man. A lot of people waiting, a lot of niggas hating, a whole lot of stipulations. Just straight making the beats. Who we write his own flow, I get dope. I'm the Aftermath CEO. Half the world wanna see me flow, the other half wanna see me go. It won't happen, motherfuckers. Straight still rapping, motherfuckers. The streets still love them. Pay the full, keep cover. Old street speakers still drumming, beats still coming. Compton's version of Bill drumming. Same Drake, different strokes. Same 6 straight, different spokes. Same chronic, just different smoking.
Straight riding again, west side again. No days on ties again. You motherfuckers still hate. Take a vacation when you come back. Yeah, we go again. Straight riding again, west side again. No days on ties again. You motherfuckers still hate. Take a vacation when you come back. Yeah, we go. That easy being signed to Dre. I'm in the press so much I ain't got time to pray. Exclusive. It's been 6 months too long. Aftermath gotta move on. Now the beef with me and 50 Cent gone. I told y'all not to fuck with me. Ghost Rider, my pen got that murder ink. I feel kinda bad about Irvin Job. What goes around comes around. Looking 50 and shot, but fuck that. Never mind that shit you did. You tryna sell albums, I'm just tryna feed my kid. Game, you gon' respond to Mr. Potato Head? I told y'all, I'm just tryna feed my kid. Why stoop to a level that requires a shovel? That's like throwing ice cubes at the motherfucking devil. I left the group cause the group was too crowded. Now watch Game finish his second album without it. Straight riding again, west side again. No days on ties again. You motherfuckers still hate. Take a vacation when you come back. Yeah, we go again. Straight riding again, west side again. No days on ties again. You motherfuckers still hate. Take a vacation when you come back. Yeah, we go again.